This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Ed Bonslav. A single-family Great Neck home in move-in ready condition. Renovated inside and out, a grassy, fenced half-acre yard, great schools and close to everything, all for less than $440,000. The home is beautiful with an open, flowing floor plan, gleaming wood floors, stainless kitchen open to the dining room, both a large family room plus a smaller den, renovated baths and clean as a whistle. Outside the flat, grassy, fully fenced backyard with a big deck is perfect for entertaining or keeping the puppy safe. Brand new double-wide driveway makes parking easy. If you've ever wanted to live in Great Neck, this home is the one. For more information, review the details below.